Hello guys, mag-unboxing kami ng binili namin vacuum. Dayson. Dayson?
Hindi mo naman narinig ang boses mo na dyan.
Rinig?
Rinig ba?
Oo. Ayan o. Bubuksan na. Oops. Ayan siya o.
Our first Dyson. Brand new Dyson.
Nga.
Lagi kaming use. Nagsawa na si Mrs. ng use.
Brand new naman.
Galit siya dahil hindi magamit ng maayos. Bumili ng brand new.
Kaysa naman ano.
Ito ano to?
Bili ka ng bili.
May graduation certificate.
Ano yan?
Graduation certificate.
Why didn't we get the one that...
Ta-na-na-na.
Why didn't we get the one that we had in the first thing?
Kaya nga.
Ta-na-na-na. Ta-na-na-na. Isi Daniel Sagi. Ta-na-na-na. 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 Ta-na-na. Isi Daniel Sagi. Ta-na-na. Ta-na-na. Ta-na-na.
Baliw yung mag-ama o.
Ta-na-na-na.
Ayan. Ayan o.
So it includes charger. Izzy, could you help me unbox? You will be saying what
No, I
is
need to
there.
take a bath. Ama!
So you will see this
Ama!
Dyson mission vision. It says, our mission is simple, solve the problems others ignore. Oh, really? Solve the problems
Others ignore.
others ignore.
Which one?
The mission vision of Dyson. Our mission is simple, solve the problems,
That others ignore.
solve the problems others ignore.
Like what?
Solve the problems that you people ignore.
Like what?
Huh?
Like what?
Like that I'm handsome. You always ignore me. So we have the
Charger station.
holder station.
Holder.
We have the accessory
Ano naman yan?
vacuum. The accessory for the head vacuum.
Could be used in the window.
Oo. Meron dito sa
We
ano.
have the
Pwede yan sa ano.
we have the
Handle.
No.
Ano yan?
vacuum stick
Vacuum stick.
pipe. We have the motor head. May charge na ba to? Ano pa? Then we have the motor. This is the head roller. Oh, it's so difficult. Da-na-na-na. Head roller. So it's easy to put. Just follow the bouncing ball.
Other way around, right?
Nor mimi nor. Nor mimi nor.
Umiikot siya.
And then you put this one there.
Ayun.
Okay. So what I will do, I will need to put the charger here so that it can be done like that. Same in the store. Like
Tapos,
that. Then I'll put it in the wall. So after you finish, you just put it like that. Put it like that. Okay? You just need to pull this one there. Like that and remove it.
okay.
And this one, just slide it there. Put that one first. Put back and then it will charge. Like that. Simple as that.
Ano yun? May stick. Nag-stick sa wall? Meron.
No, I need to drill, nanay.
Okay.
Kailangan i-drill. Driller is the key. Driller is the key.
Smooth na smooth. Ano?
This has a 3 years warranty. So if there's anything happen, ang dami nga nakukuha, mami, ah.
Nakikita agad. Ayan oh.
Kasi ano
Sinubukan agad.
Ang
Yan yung nakakapagpa-hatching. Mga ano.
Walang dumi. Yung pala may dumi siya kanina. Mukha lang siyang malinis. Pero madumi siya. Kasi tingnan niyo. Merong
Yan,
alikabok
Yan, marami na agad alikabok na nakuha.
Really? So do you take this?
Kala mo yung carpet ay Yan. Pinay agad, Aba. Oh no.
Malamang itong upuan na to, maraming...
Oo.
Let's clean it up. Then you will see it, Mimi. Mas maganda to. Tinanong namin nana yung salesman na nakahandle dito. Kasi sabi niya mas maganda yung Electrolux. Sabi niya, he would prefer Dyson. With similar price, Dyson has more power than Electrolux. And
Ay baka siyang salesman ng Dayson. Kaya
that's the salesman in the supermarket. Ang dami niya, Mio. So we've been sleeping here, knowing it's clean, but it's not really clean.
ano yan? Sipon. Hika. Di ba?
Hindi naman karami.
Pero marami, pero siya, tinan mo.
Malikawak siya talaga, Hindi siya basta...
Yan yung napasok sa ilong.
Malamang yung carpet dun sa bed natin, saka sa bed ni nanay, tsaka ni Isaiah.
Ang dami nun.
No.
No.
Or no.
Patayin mo.
Naman
Ito magkalala, ma'am. It has a warranty of 3 years.
Alin,
Pag
itong
nasira,
itong carpet na ito?
No, itong Dyson nanay.
Ah,
Pag nasira siya, due to normal usage, they will change everything new, including me. Yeah. Alam mo, gusto mo na akong partan Mimi, including the user. Kala mo dyan.
Ang dami ka nag-aantay buong
No, masama maglinis ng gabi, mami.
ang dami niya,
Alikabok siya, Yung Electrolux, hindi siya nakakakuha ng ganitong alikabok. Ang nakakuha lang niya is yung mga dumi ng mismong dumi lang na visible within the eyes. Ito, it's under the sun.
Saan yun, saan?
Nasa mga maglinis ng gabi. Lalabas ang swerte.
Hindi mo na mawawalisin eh.
Kahit pa. Kahit pa.